Many students face the challenge of finding affordable music streaming options. You want to listen to your favorite songs, but you don't want to spend too much. So, what can you do? The Spotify Student Plan is the perfect solution. It gives you access to Spotify Premium at a super affordable price. But not everyone knows how to get it. That's why you need to keep watching to learn how to get the most out of this plan. So here are 5 things that you should know about the Spotify Student Plan. First thing is that it gives you access to all the music on Spotify with no ads. Second thing is that you can listen offline, which is perfect for long study sessions. I like classical in the back, instrumental. Another thing is that the plan also gives you Hulu and Showtime, so you can stream your favorite shows. It's also only available to students, so make sure that you meet the requirements. And you can get a free trial to start before committing to the plan. So this is your chance to upgrade your music experience. Don't miss out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more awesome tips like this. See you soon. Love ya.